back everyone. Today it is the 8th of August, Saturday the 8th of August, not October, August. And yeah, we're doing a little bit of just a mow to keep it going. We've got over here now the sprinkler just going on this area because you saw it's a little bit dry, it's struggling a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll pull it in a little bit in a second because we're trying to just sort of take the dryness there from the, I'm assuming, the pavement and the trees. But yeah, we're just doing some focused water in there because we don't have a hose pipe ban up in the northwest of England yet. So hope it stays that way. So yeah, anyway, what are we up to today? Well, today would be my annual, if I was going to be doing a serious renovation. Well, I'm going to do a serious renovation, and I'll be putting on some products now to prepare in order for doing some renovation work in September time. So what I'll be doing really is putting the weed all on, but I've had a look over the lawn, and other than weed grasses, like the Poa annua, maybe a bit of Yorkshire fog kicking about or whatever, we're doing all right for weeds. So I'm not going to put any weed all on because I don't need to. But if you have weeds in your lawn and you're looking at doing a renovation and you want to get rid of the weeds beforehand and you want to use a lawn safe weed killer, I'll be recommending as soon as possible put on the weed all or Green Force weed killer for lawns or whatever you're going to use in order to try and get your lawn prepared for your September renovations. Why? Because the products that are in, the active ingredients in these weed killers will remain in the soil profile for between 6 and 8 weeks. So you need the soil profile to be clear of said products, said active ingredients for a period of, you know, well, they need to be clear, otherwise you will inhibit any form of seed germination and getting a good result. So if you're using weed oil, you're looking at 6 weeks minimum. So if I put it on now, we're in the second week of August, we'll be looking middle of September to do the renovation work, which is ample time where things are going. But as I mentioned, we've not got a lot of weeds in here, so I don't need to do such a thing. So what I'll be doing is I was thinking about aerating, but I don't think I will. I don't think I need to do it. On this side, I'm just going to do continuous top dressing with the sand that we've got to try and help it fill in. But it's looking all right since last week. I think we've got a bit of creeping going on. It looks like a bit fuller down there. So hopefully over the next few weeks and months it'll thicken up even better. And on this side, yeah, it's all right. It's looking good. Needs a bit more feed, I think. It's just the colour's dropping off, and we just need to get rid of some of these weed grasses that we've got in there, which are a bane of my life. And there's nothing one-stop shop that will do that unless I go glyphosate and kill it all off. But I don't really want to do that now. So have a look at what you're doing. If you're wanting to do renovation, I'd recommend doing it now. Look into your local shops. If you're going to hire a colour aerator, if you're hiring a scarifier, make sure you can get that booked in now. You know, get it planned. Are you getting some sand? Are you getting some topsoil? Are you getting some top dressing? Where are you going to get it from? Seeds, feeds, liquids, all that sort of stuff. You can get that from Greencare, green-care.co.uk. Get 5% off there with code RMMC. That's on everything across the range, even if you're wanting a sods out. Even if you're wanting to get like a web lawnmower, they do some web lawnmowers there. They've got the electric webs coming in September time, so you can get 5% off that if you want to get a web lawnmower. Rollers, I'm doing a 6th batch, so if you want one of them, drop me an email. The HD roller, 3-inch roller. But yeah, other than that, it's just a bit of me mowing my lawn and saying, you know, get yourself prepped for your upcoming renovations. If you need to kill some weeds, get your weed all on now so you can have it exited your soil profile by the time you put some seed down. So that's about it really. So love you, leave you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend for whenever you watch this, and hopefully you get a little bit of rain down in your areas. And yeah, like, subscribe, all that. Have a good weekend. I'll be the same.